Welcome back to your Central Ohio Living and living in Columbus, Ohio. Today, we're going to talk about why you shouldn't try to sell your home on your own. We like all the DIY projects, but when it comes to your Central Ohio home, here's why. Every once in a while, I come across someone who feels like they've done enough research, watched enough HGTV episodes, and seen enough YouTube tutorials that they can now sell their home on their own. Excuse me, got a little frog in my throat today. They want to save money. I get it. But let me explain. Somewhere, somehow, and to be very straightforward, there are reasons why this is never a good idea. Hey, I'm Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. Okay, the number one thing, agents know how to market your home. Agents deal with buyers every day, so they also know what's trending, what is up in the market, and what buyers want. A good real estate agent can stage your home, get professional photos, market, and describe your property based on these trends. Their marketing can attract potential buyers and get people through the door. Number two, agents can list the home on the MLS. Now, this is different from being just able to list your home for sale on Zillow. Also, having access to MLS, which means the home will have a lot more exposure. First, the other agents who also have access to the MLS will see your home and inform their buyers. The popular sites like Zillow, Redfin, Trulia, they get content directly from the MLS, which will expose more homes and even more buyers, but none of that happens without the MLS. Being represented by a real estate agent, a represented seller, will make more money. It's a well-known fact that a listed home with a real estate agent will sell for more money and in less time. If you sell the home yourself, you may save a few bucks, but if you use a real estate agent, you'll probably make more money, and even after paying those agents' commissions. Think about that for a little bit there. And then also, a lot of people won't bother looking nationwide. Only 8% of people attempt to sell their own home. And since it's not common, most buyers are naturally intimidated by it. The buyer might perceive the sale as being a liquidation, a foreclosure, or some other serious flaw associated with the home. The perception is reality. If you want to sell your home for more money and you want to make sure it's shown the best light possible. If you're thinking about selling your Central Ohio home, I've got you covered. I have a home seller's guide that I can get over to you via your email. I'll send it right over to you. It's going to give you some great results. And if you want, after watching this video, if you would like to get a copy of my Secrets Every Home Seller Needs to Know, then just DM me and I'll get it right out to the mail to you. Whether you're thinking about moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email because we want to get you moving. Also, we're always in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.